How to purchase credit on PixVerse AI video generator application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily purchase credit on PixVerse. So first thing, just head over to your application and make sure you have successfully logged into your account. And from over here, just click on this bottom right corner of your profile section. And once you're inside here, just tap on this basic option at the top right corner, which says it's credit details. So you can also view it just like this about how much credit you have, and you can actually click on this credit packs over here, and you can easily purchase any of the credits which you like for the particular estimated amount. So in this case, if you want to buy 500 credit, it will cost you $5.08, and if you want to buy 10,000 credit, it can cost about $100.83. So you can just click on this purchase credit button over here and fill up all of your details, payment details as well, and you can easily purchase those credit on PixVerse. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.